Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, join 73,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Cake killed its project just now. They updated their staking protocol. Now the APY is only 20% when it's on the flexible rate. It used to be 63%. Their lock staking, 5 weeks lock is 63% now, but I don't want to lock my staking. The whole reason I like Cake, one, it was PancakeSwap's protocol, a really good project. Two, you had huge APYs up to 60 to 80% with unlocked staking. Now, since they updated their staking protocol today, you have to, now the normal staking protocol is 20% flexible, and you only get the 67% if you lock it for 5 weeks, but that makes it stupid to me, so I'm going to be selling my Cake almost at the price that I bought it, unfortunately. Hit the subscribe button, let's jump into the technicals. Bitcoin having a big bounce back now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. We're getting a bounce back on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. It's still, if we zoom out on the 4 hourly, we're still underneath this major channel that Bitcoin's been bouncing between. This channel here for the last few weeks, it started bouncing on it, and the 11th of January, we started moving in this channel. 11th of January till now, almost 4 months of movement here. But today we broke underneath it. Now it's trying to, if we zoom in, you can see that it's trying to get back into that channel. And it might have the chance to, because before we also broke underneath this channel, like here, back in February 24, we broke underneath to the 34K. And also here on the 24th of January, we also broke underneath it. So it can recover back in, and it's trying to right now. We're getting a bounce right now, and Bitcoin having some buy volume. RSI is heading up on the 4 hourly. Stochastic oversold heading up. MACD is also turning to head up, so we could be getting that bounce back. Let's see if it manages to get back above this this resistance here at 39,000. We have strong supports, strong resistance at the, I gotta put that back. We have strong resistance at the 40,000. These red lines, 44,000, 40,000, these are support resistance. 37,000, these are strong support and resistance line on Bitcoin. So right now we did get this big bounce back, volume coming in. EMA ribbons are turning, we're still underneath it. It got rejected off the EMA. They are heading down the EMA ribbons. VPVR, we have a lot of buying above us, buying and selling. The main support and resistance is up here now at the 40,000, so it's going to be difficult to break through. Crypto Guru Bot fired a sell a few days ago, and it's still 2 days ago, and it's still heading down in the red. Bitcoin Indicator Bot also, I think, fired a sell and has not yet fired a buy after that dump. Simple moving average, we are below the moving averages now. So let's see if Bitcoin can get back and reclaim this 40,000. But I would actually be shorting here. But Bitcoin did close and wick out my short and hit my stop loss. So I lost $100 on the trade from earlier today. It wicked back up and hit the stop loss. I don't really like shorting Bitcoin in a major, when it's on a major support. And down here, it exactly bounced off this major support at the 37,700. Or a bit above 38,000. It bounced off the support, so I don't want to be shorting here. Normally I would be shorting because I think we would do something like this. If we get rejected, then I will short, but we're on such a major area of support that it's hard to short. So let's see if we can get back above. On the hourly, Stochastic is heading up also. Well, RSI is heading up. Stochastic is heading up. On the 4 hourly, MACD is heading up. Let's check on the daily as well. So on the, everything is looking actually bullish now that it's bottomed out. RSI is heading down still. Stochastic is trying to turn. MACD on the daily is trying to head up. So it's looking bullish now. But again, it's in a point of difficult to trade area, because to short, it's not so smart because we have all this support down here. We have all this support at the $37,000 area. But to long it, I'd rather long on the short on the support to head back up to the 50K than trying to short down at this support line. It's too strong of a support. So a little bit difficult to trade here. I would actually be going long on Bitcoin here. With a tight stop loss if it breaks back down again. So I'll take a long position on Bitcoin. I'll put my stop loss just below where it bounced down, 37,000 here. I'll go long where we're sitting. Stop loss at 38,000 and take profit at the, that's a short. I would go long position. So here, stop loss at the 37,755 and take profit at the top of this channel, 50,000. That gives us an amazing ratio trade. We've got a, what's the ratio? It's a 8.67 ratio trade. Really nice risk to reward ratio trade. I'm getting, I'm risking let's clear up some of these charts. There's too many lines blocking everything. So that's a support. Until that breaks, we'll keep it. That's the trend line, the bottom trend line. So I've got, it's a ratio trade of 8.67. I'm risking 1,200 to make 11,000 unleveraged. If it's 10x leverage, it's a $110,000 trade. So I'll open the long now. Stop loss at 30. Stop loss will be just underneath this support here, 37,700, and take profit at the $50,000 area. If it breaks down, my long will close with a very tight stop loss. If it hits, my trade will go towards the 50K area, which will be a very nice trade. So I'm going to long Bitcoin here. So I'm longing Bitcoin, stop loss at 37,700, and take profit at the 50,000. So I'm going to open a long. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, down below, if you want to sign up to Bybit, you get $4,600 of bonuses when you sign up and start trading on Bybit. You have to deposit Bitcoin, $4,600 bonus when you use the link in the description and the pinned comment of this video. NordVPN if you have any restrictions. So over on Bybit, I have 199,900, almost $200,000 in this account. I'm mostly in USDT. I've got $20,000 of curve. The rest is USDT. My short closed on Bitcoin. It hit the stop loss. I had an order price to go long on Bitcoin at 37,600. It came very close to that actually, but it didn't. It just missed hitting it. We came down to 37,000. We came down to 37. I can't see, 37,900. So it was about $300 off opening that position. But I'm going to go long on Bitcoin now. It would have already been nice. It would almost be a $2,000 or $1,500 profit, but it just missed out. So I'm going to go long on Bitcoin now. I'm going to open a $2,000 trade. I'm going to open a long with 10x leverage at the current price. $10x leverage, done. So I'm now long on Bitcoin. My stop loss and take profit I'm going to set now. So I'm going to set my take profit at, what did we say, 50,000, and the stop loss at 37,700. Take profit 50,000, stop loss 37,700. So I'm risking 600 or 37,700. That's quite a big loss. $698 to make $5,500. But that stop loss is safe, so I do need to actually set that stop loss here. But Bitcoin had quite a big pump. It's unfortunate because my long was going to open at 37,900, but I did expect it to come down here to open the long. So it just missed out on that long, unfortunately. But now I've got a long open on Bitcoin with a kind of tight stop loss. I would wait. You can also wait till Bitcoin breaks above this $39,000 area, bounces off here, sorry, 40,000, and then moves up. That's a better time to be going long. But I am going to take a little bit of risk and try and catch it from down here. Let's see if it's also making a broadening wedge here. We've got a kind of broadening wedge formation. And now I'm going to show you me closing my cake position. I wanted to open $1 million of cake, but now after they did this stupid change of APY, I'm going to be closing it. This is a broadening wedge. Broadening wedges are usually bullish, so Bitcoin could be going towards that 50K. Now I'm going to close my cake position. So this is cake, my cake staking. As you can see now, if you followed my videos before, the APY was almost 80%. Now, since they updated their protocol, the APY is 21%. I have $138,000 of cake, a big bounce back because it went from 150 down to 130, now back up to 138, so a big bounce back. But now you have to convert your, to get higher APYs, you need to be locking cake. So if I lock it for 1 week, then I get 29% APY. If I lock it for 5 weeks, I get 62% APY. 10 weeks, 100% APY. But I was getting 80%. The reason I kept this in cake before was because I was getting almost 80% unlocked and I could move my money. Now it's locked. Even though I got $300 today from staking cake, I don't like it anymore because it's only 20% APY, which drastically reduced the profits. Now with my balance, before I was getting almost... with $150,000 worth, I was getting every year almost $830,000. Every month I was getting almost $7,000. So it drastically reduced the rewards. So I'm going to unstake my cake now and sell cake because I don't like what they did with the protocol. Thank you for watching, everyone. Let me know your thoughts. Are you going to also sell cake because of what they did? They kind of screwed their investors. I don't like, never trade. It's very dangerous to change APYs like that and make such a big drastic reduction. from 80%, that means if I had staked $1 million worth, I was getting 800,000, or 63%, I was getting $630,000 a year. Now if I stake $1 million, I only get $200,000 a year. Big drastic reduction. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's also, wait, there was some things I wanted to show you as well. Down here, James, loving the videos as always. I tune in every day. You're the winner, Scottish Simon. I asked everyone to subscribe and mention 5 friends. They got to subscribe. You won 200 USD, which is beautiful. Sol looks like it's getting ready to be a buy at $87. Sol is on a major trend line. Babe, what's wrong? I miss you so much. But he's looking at the Bitcoin price pumping. It's true. This is one of the characters coming to life in Magicraft from Devoted Studios. Thank you, James. I have 4 times my money in 2 days, but now I'm taking out profits as I'm going to, because I wasn't listening to you completely as far as taking out profit, but now I'm much smarter. You're a great teacher. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you, Chauvin. This is another character from the Magicraft world coming to life, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. This is James from Crypto Guru. And Slavik, what do you think is going to be happening to Bitcoin?
It's difficult to say, in my opinion. Either we break 4 or the EM ribbon to the upside, we can long, or we break 30. Wait a second. If we break 38,500, we can short Bitcoin. This is what I'm doing. But we have a huge bullish divergence for Audi and the daily. So it's based on this. It's more probable that we are going to the upside. But based on the macro perspective, we are going to the downside, right? Because we are in a downtrend. So, in my opinion, we have just to watch for the EMA ribbon or 38,500.
Thanks, guys. Welcome to our office in the beautiful address Skyview. We're in Paris right now, as you can see from the window.
Yes,
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all again
tomorrow.